All right. We have Adam here this morning. He's here for his left ankle. It has been a little over 3 months, almost 4 months since bone marrow and PRP injections into the left ankle. In addition to that, he also had 24 MLS laser, healing laser treatments and 24 total body fitness sessions. But also he underwent our weight loss program. He had 3 months of genetic-based nutrition and also had 10 red light laser or fat loss laser treatments as well. Adam, tell us a little bit about what things were like prior to undergoing this series of injections and the rest of the program.
Prior to, I was having a lot of pain in my ankle as derived from where I was at, and how the injury came to be. I was encroaching on the 400-pound mark, to be honest, and I was very sedentary and unable to do a lot of things now that I am able to do since I've lost all the weight and had the PRP done.
Awesome. And how much weight have you lost?
I'm at just about 30 pounds.
Great. That's awesome. And you have a few more days left with your diet and nutrition coach, correct?
I do. Coach Kelly has been a phenomenal asset. We went through my genetic structure and what will aggravate my gut and not aggravate my gut and things that I can eat and can't eat, along with just in general moving forward and being a positive role model and a positive person to talk to on the daily if I needed to.
Awesome. Well, that's great. Glad to hear that. Going through this process, are there goals or things that you're looking to continue to work on now that you've completed the program here with us?
I'm going to stick to the weight loss stuff and continually try to get down. My understanding per Coach Kelly was that for every 10 pounds I lose is 40 pounds of pressure off the joint. I'm going to continue to do that so that I'm getting my quality of life back. It's coming back as is, but I'd really like to improve it more.
Awesome. Great plan. And then just one last thing. So if somebody were on the fence of contemplating going through the entire program between bone marrow, PRP injections, healing laser, fat loss laser, and the total body fitness sessions, what would your advice be to them?
Absolutely do it. It's a completely way to get back to the life that you had prior to the injury and prior to things going sideways. I know that as an injury that I've had since 2018, my life got a little out of control, and now I'm slowly getting my life back to what it was before that and able to do things that I hadn't been able to do for years because I had just been in too much pain.
That's awesome. Well, thank you. Keep up the great work.
Absolutely.